buddy Jimmy in San Diego and got some new electric hydrofoil surfboards, and we're gonna go play. So we're here at French Valley. We're gonna load up the airplane. We're gonna fly to Lake Havasu City, Arizona, because it's warm out there. It's cold here. It's 48 degrees here in SoCal this morning. It's way too cold to have any fun. So we're gonna go to Arizona, where the weather is warm and sunny and beautiful. And we're meeting up with another buddy of his who just bought a new wake surf boat. And we're gonna do some wake surfing, some wake foiling, some e-foiling, and some flying, probably some lunching. Yeah, so that's today. So come along for the ride. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and watch what else we got going on over here. And off we go. Let's get out of here. We are loaded up to the gills in the 210. Bulky stuff, but not too heavy. Here she is. Original 1967 paint and all. But check it out. We've got wake foils. We've got 3 e-foils. Got another board. Wetsuits, whatever those things are called. All the e-foil foil parts here, the batteries are here. You can just see, like, we're literally stuffed to the gills in this plane. But that's why you have a 210, so you can do fun stuff like this and take a bunch of crap. So we're gonna get going. I'm gonna finish my pre-flight, and we'll be out of here on our way to Havasu. Catch you guys in a little bit. We are out at Lake Havasu. We're doing a little electric hydrofoiling. So you can see, here's my remote, here's my board, and here's the wall. Yeah, but we're just cruising. We're out here, it's a beautiful day. It's like 75, teaching a couple guys how to foil. Coming up here on my buddy Aaron that I just met. He's just learning. And he just fell. Otherwise, I would show you here. Water's pretty cold. But look at it. I mean, could not ask for a more beautiful day than Lake Havasu. So it's super fun. If you guys have never seen this, come in. Yeah, Aaron. Go faster. Go faster. It's super fun. It's pretty amazing. Yeah. We went through the channel a little earlier. Super cool. Had some lunch, cruised around, and now we're just gonna play until we get closer to sunset. And then we're gonna head home. Yeah, buddy. Smile away, boys! Smile I wish there was something cool other than like flying above the water. I was pretty shallow. But I can show you guys. This is as cool as I got. Getting ready to leave Lake Havasu Airport. It's getting dark, but no problem. Sunset over there. Yeah, super fun day. Did some e-foiling. Didn't take the boat out. We just had too much fun in the e-foils and just screwing around all day. So a lot of fun. So have a nice, easy flight back. No wind, super cool, calm, be mellow, and be home just after dinner. All right. So we made it back in the dark. Not my favorite. Super stressful. Just locking up here. But yeah, it a little stressful in the dark. Can't see anything. There was no moon. It didn't come up till later. And here at French Valley, the ceiling was broken. This like fog layer came in right over the airport, and we were able to, I mean, it was literally over the runway. It was still VFR. We were able to come in from the north and come right under the clouds and land totally legal and good and could see, but yeah, a little stressful, but heck of a day, man. It was super fun. Got to foil a lot, meet some nice people, hang out. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you guys next time. There she is, all put away. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, follow the adventures, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.